Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to go live on TikTok. All right, let's begin. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the upload icon at the bottom of the screen, then go to the template or camera section to find the live option. If the option isn't available, don't worry. There's another way to enable it. Go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Report a Problem. From there, open the Live option and tap on Hosting a Live. When asked if the information was helpful, select No, and then tap Need More Help. Here, you can describe your issue and submit feedback requesting access to the live feature. So that's basically how you can go live on TikTok, and that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.